Hey, what's up, guys? So, in this lesson, I'm just going to share with you how you can use Claygen to research and enrich any data that you need for your cold outreach. So, let's get started. So, before I demonstrate how you can use Claygen, I just want to share with you what Claygen is. So, basically, Claygen is an AI research agent that can answer any questions and can research any data for you. So this replaced the manual account research, which typically consumes a lot of time and resources. So with the use of Claygen, you never have to do any manual research again. So Claygen has a lot of use cases, but in this video, I'm just going to focus on how you can use Claygen for basic enrichment or basic research. So let's try to enrich this data that I have in my Clay table. So what you can see is a company list, and our goal is to find the company domain as well as the LinkedIn company URL using Claygen. Back in the day, if you want to get the company name or the LinkedIn company URL, you will have to search for these URLs manually. But with the use of Claygen, you don't have to do it anymore. So to use Claygen, just click on Add Enrichment and then type in Claygen. All right. And then select this. And then for the model, let's just select GPT 4.0 mini. And then make sure to select your own OpenAI account so that you don't get charged for Clay credits. So Clay credits are a bit expensive. And I'm also going to create a separate video on how you can set up your OpenAI account or how you can connect your OpenAI account with Clay. So what we're going to do next is we are going to write a prompt and we are going to add the prompt in this section. So I already had AI or ChatGPT to write a prompt for me, and this is the prompt. So I'm just going to copy and paste it. Okay. So I already did that prior to recording this video. So if you wanna get the prompt that I use to program ChatGPT to be a prompt expert or to be able to write a prompt for you, I will put the prompt in the comment section. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it here, and then gonna make sure that it's gonna capture the company name. So we're gonna put in, or we're gonna map out company name here in this section. So it captures the data from this column. And then this is the full prompt. So you can pause the video and screenshot the prompt so that you'll have an idea on, you know, how you can provide instructions. But then again, I don't write prompts. I just, utilize ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. So this is the the whole prompt, and what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to save this and run. So let's see if it's going to provide us with the company domain, right? All right. So let's go ahead and check if these are the real websites of these companies. So let's check the first one. So the first company name is Salesforce, and this is the website. So based on the reasoning, it looks correct. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to this URL and see if it's the correct website. So this looks correct. All right. And then we're gonna check on the other one. So this one is pipedrive.com. And let's see if this is the correct website of Pipedrive. So, yep, it looks correct. In this section, when you click on the cell details, you're also going to see the confidence level. So, if the confidence level is high or very high, it means that it's 100% accurate. So, that's how you can use Claygen for, scraping or for finding website URL. What we're going to do next is we will be using Claygen to find link in company URL. So to do that, we're just going to click on add enrichment again and then type in Claygen. All right. And then we're going to select 4.0 mini as our model and our own API account. Okay. And then what we're going to do next is we will have AI or ChatGPT write a prompt for us. So let's type this in. Write me a prompt. Finding the company URL using company name. So again, I already programmed my ChatGPT to be able to write a prompt for me. So if you want to get a copy of the prompt that I used to program ChatGPT, just check the comment below and you will see the prompt. All right, so I now have the prompt for finding the company link in URL using the company name and website URL. So I'm just going to copy this and then I'm just going to paste it right here. Okay. And then I'm just gonna make sure that the company name is mapped out. Same goes with the website URL because uh, Claygen is gonna look up the website URL as long as because Claygen is going to look up the website URL as well as the company name. So I'm just gonna select this, right? Okay. And then you can also put in any specific condition here. So you can put in only run if official website is not empty. I'm also going to create a separate video sharing how you can use the AI formula generator because this has been really helpful for me. So it might also help you in building your own clay tables. So just gonna select this, all right, and then let's try to run it for 10 rows. Okay, all right. So we can rename this as our company, our website URL. Then we can delete this one. All right. So we now have the company URL, and let's see if this is accurate. So let's put in the first company URL. Okay. So this looks pretty accurate. And then let's try this one. All right. This is fantastic. So we were able to uh, enrich the website URL as well as the company URL by only using the available data that we have. So this is the power of Claygen, and there are a lot of things that you can do with Claygen. You can search for any data. As long as the data is not behind paywalls or logins, you can get any data using Claygen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you got value. And if you do, just feel free to share this to anyone who might benefit from this video. Cheers.